Another Day, Another Lesson by UPSC and more. India is a democratic country, and the Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land. The Constitution of India provides for various constitutional bodies to ensure that the government functions smoothly and efficiently. These constitutional bodies have been given the responsibility to ensure that the government functions within the framework of the Constitution. In this article, we will discuss some of the important constitutional bodies in India, such as the Election Commission, the Finance Commission, and the National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. 1. The Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India, ECI, is an independent constitutional body responsible for the conduct of free and fair elections in India. The ECI was established in 1950 under the provisions of the Constitution of India. The main function of the ECI is to conduct and supervise all elections to the Parliament and state legislatures in India. Some of the important functions of the ECI are as follows. A. Preparing the electoral rolls. The ECI is responsible for preparing the electoral rolls for all constituencies in the country. It ensures that the names of eligible voters are included in the electoral rolls and that there are no duplications. B. Conducting elections. The ECI conducts elections to the Parliament and state legislatures in India. It ensures that the elections are conducted in a free, fair, and transparent manner. C. Prohibiting corrupt practices. The ECI prohibits corrupt practices during elections. It ensures that political parties do not use unfair means to influence voters. D. Imposing model code of conduct. The ECI imposes a model code of conduct on political parties during elections. It ensures that political parties do not indulge in any activity that can vitiate the election process. E. Settling election disputes. The ECI settles election disputes and petitions related to elections. It ensures that any dispute related to elections is resolved in a timely and impartial manner. 2. The Finance Commission of India. The Finance Commission of India, FCI, is a constitutional body responsible for recommending the distribution of tax revenue between the central and state governments in India. The FCI was established in 1951 under Article 280 of the Constitution of India. The main function of the FCI is to recommend the distribution of tax revenue between the central and state governments in India. Some of the important functions of the FCI are as follows. A. Recommending the distribution of tax revenue. The FCI recommends the distribution of tax revenue between the central and state governments in India. It ensures that the revenue is distributed in a fair and equitable manner. B. Recommending grants and aid to states. The FCI recommends grants and aid to the states. It ensures that the states have enough resources to carry out their functions. C. Reviewing the financial position of states. The FCI reviews the financial position of states. It ensures that the states have enough resources to carry out their functions. D. Recommending measures to improve the financial position of states. The FCI recommends measures to improve the financial position of states. It ensures that the states are able to carry out their functions effectively. E. Reviewing the fiscal performance of states. The FCI reviews the fiscal performance of states. It ensures that the states are using their resources efficiently and effectively. 3. The National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. The National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes, NCSCST, is a constitutional body responsible for protecting the rights of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in India. The NCSCST was established in 2004 under Article 338 of the Constitution of India. The main function of the NCSCST is to protect the rights of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in India. Some of the important functions of the NCSCST are as follows. A. Investigating complaints and grievances. The NCSCST investigates complaints and grievances related to the deprivation of rights of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It ensures that the rights of these communities are protected. B. Monitoring implementation of laws. The NCSCST monitors the implementation of laws and programs that are meant to benefit the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It ensures that these communities are not deprived of their rights. C. Making recommendations to government. The NCSCST makes recommendations to the government regarding the protection of the rights of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It ensures that the government takes necessary steps to protect the rights of these communities. D. Promoting socio-economic development. The NCSESD promotes the socio-economic development of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It ensures that these communities are not left behind in terms of development. E. Reviewing the progress of development programs. The NCSESD reviews the progress of development programs meant for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It ensures that these programs are implemented effectively and efficiently. 4. The National Human Rights Commission. The National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, is a statutory body responsible for protecting and promoting human rights in India. The NHRC was established in 1993 under the Protection of Human Rights Act, 1993. The main function of the NHRC is to protect and promote human rights in India. Some of the important functions of the NHRC are as follows. A. Investigating complaints of human rights violations. The NHRC investigates complaints of human rights violations in India. It ensures that the rights of individuals are protected. B. Promoting human rights education. The NHRC promotes human rights education in India. It ensures that people are aware of their rights and the importance of protecting human rights. C. Recommending measures to improve human rights. The NHRC recommends measures to improve human rights in India. It ensures that necessary steps are taken to protect and promote human rights. D. Reviewing laws and policies. The NHRC reviews laws and policies related to human rights in India. It ensures that these laws and policies are in line with international human rights standards. E. Spreading awareness about human rights. The NHRC spreads awareness about human rights in India. It ensures that people are aware of their rights and the importance of protecting human rights. Conclusion. Constitutional bodies play a crucial role in the governance of India. The Election Commission of India ensures that elections are conducted in a free and fair manner. The Finance Commission of India ensures that tax revenue is distributed between the central and state governments in a fair and equitable manner. The National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes protects the rights of these communities and promotes their socio-economic development. The National Human Rights Commission protects and promotes human rights in India. These constitutional bodies ensure that the government functions within the framework of the Constitution and that the rights of citizens are protected. Thanks for watching.